We have already made a video on how to configure your Instagram account with WPSocialNinja. And in this video, we're gonna show you everything about feed settings. Sit tight. As soon as you hit create a new template, you'll be taken to this window. Here you'll find two tabs at the right of the screen, General and Style. We'll take you through the General option. First thing first, let's fetch your Instagram posts. It's super easy to show your posts. Simply click here. If you want to show posts containing a certain hashtag, enter the hashtag and WPSocialNinja will fetch them for you. Just a reminder, you do need an Instagram business account for that. You have 3 different layouts to choose from. You can show them in a grid, or if you want them to play out like a slideshow, pick carousel. If you pick grid or masonry, you can choose the number of columns and the gap between them. Masonry and grid also come with the pagination option. You can either keep your viewers scrolling or leave a button to load more. Pick carousel and you'll find an option to further alter the layout above the header option. Click on it and you can choose whether or not the images will be on autoplay and every detail of the autoplay. How many posts do you want to show? What order do you want them in? Show and hide your Instagram posts whichever way suits you from the filter option. You can hide posts containing certain hashtags or a specific Instagram post by copy-pasting the link. Here's more options regarding the appearance of your posts. For example, go here to select where your posts will open. We like them opening in a pop-up box. Also toggle these to decide if you want to show captions, likes, and comments of individual posts. If you also like pop-ups like us, you're gonna find another option here that lets you tweak every single element that's gonna appear on your pop-up box. Design it how you find it beautiful. All your Instagram profile information is usually available on the header, but not all data is worth displaying. So if there are some things you're not happy with yet, toggle the button here and hide. Last but not the least, you get your own customizable follow button. Put it on header or footer or in both places. That's it for feed settings. If you want to know about the styling part, we got a video on that too, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Till then, adios!